What's up, everyone? Before this video starts, I want to say thank you for 400 subscribers. Now, look at this plaque. YouTube sent me this plaque for 400 subs. I'm just kidding. I made it myself. Clearly, even had my logo on it. But, I mean, look at the detail to this. In all seriousness, thank you for 400 subscribers. Now, is there anything that the brown helicopter wants to say? 400 subscribers! That's awesome! That's awesome! I guess he's happy about it, too. The brown helicopter wants to take a selfie, so... Thank you so much for 400 subscribers. Now I must eat the camera. Don't eat the camera. Don't eat the camera. Spit it out, spit it out, spit it out.